this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, driving our 72 K10 down the road here. Going about 55, 354 speed. You can see the oil pressure. Temp gauge, it's just started it, so it's starting to come up a little bit. Pretty tight old cab, and not a lot of wind noise. Runs and drives good. We'll run it out a couple miles, and then I'll go through I'll shift it for you. So this project truck, you can beat around the way it is, or if you're just looking for an old beater 68, 72 truck, this runs and drives good. Most stuff seems to work on it, so I mean all the major stuff does, so you can just use it the way it is. Like I said, it's one you can just kind of drive and work on as you would, because it does seem to run down the road pretty good. There you can see the temp gauge coming up. No vibration in the steering wheel there. I let go. Got a slight pull to the right probably. Set it up here, see if that'll work. Said brakes work good. Nice head power steering. Speed seems to shift nice and smooth, no grinding. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 601